SIT-210 Embedded Systems Task 7.3 Raspberry Pi and PWM. The aim of this task is to attach a distance sensor and LED on a Raspberry Pi and fluctuating that LED depending on the sensor's distance from any object. Hardware required for this task is a Raspberry Pi, jumped wires, a distance sensor, and LED. Software required is Noob software installed on the Raspberry Pi. We will start this task by making a circuit board in which we will connect the LED with the Raspberry Pi. For this, we will connect the LED on the breadboard and connect its positive terminal, which is the longer leg, to one of the GPIO pins using a jump wire. And we will connect the negative pin, which is the shorter leg of the LED, to a resistor, and then we will connect that resistor to the ground port on the Raspberry Pi. Now after connecting the LED, we will connect the distance sensor to the Raspberry Pi. Connect the distance sensor on the breadboard and connect its VCC port directly to the pin 2 or GPI Volt 5 pin on the Raspberry Pi. Now connect the trigger pin to one of the GPIO ports on the Raspberry Pi and connect the echo pin through a resistor to another pin on another GPIO pin. Now connect the ground through a resistor to the ground on the Raspberry Pi. After completing the circuit, we will check whether our distance sensor works properly or not. For this, we will upload the distance sensor library from the GPIO and set the pins 18 and 24 as we did on the trigger and echo and print the measured distance. If we can see that our sensor works properly and proper distance has been noted. Now, to fluctuate the LED depending on the sensor's reading, we will import distance sensor, LED, PWM LED from GPIO 0 and pause from signal. Now we will enter the ports we have attached our distance sensor on and our LED. Now we will source our LED to the sensor and we will run the program. Here we can see our project working. The LED gets brighter as the object approaches it